I'm looking to install an outdoor ceiling fan on a covered porch. My problem is getting power to it. I want to tap off an outlet and run the electric wire bind the Vinley siding to the ceiling and through the joist. Can this be done, or is there an easier way? Thanks, Steve.
Hello Steve. My name is XXXXXXXXXX. I will be happy to assist you with your electrical question. My goal is to exceed your expectations on JustAnswer. 1. Is the receptacle that you want to tap off of located on the exterior wall of the covered porch? 2. Will you be using pull chains to control the fan or a remote-controlled fan, or will you be installing a wall switch? 3. Will the fan also have a light kit or just the fan? 4. Do you have access to pry open a portion of the vinyl siding and install a Romex cable under the siding lip, and the Romex will not be exposed to the weather? Reason I'm asking is that Romex is not rated as weatherproof for wet and/or exterior conditions and must somehow be protected. Or what is your plan to extend the conductors out to the ceiling fan?
Kevin, thanks for getting back to me quickly. The outlet is on the exterior of the porch and we plan on using the remote on the fan, just the fan, no light. I believe I can get behind the siding, but if not, what is the best way to do it and keep the apperance looking okay?
Thanks for the reply, Steve. 1. Appearance-wise, the best way is if you can sneak some 14-2 or 12-2 Romex, non-metallic cable, under the lip of the siding and fish it back through the ceiling cavity into the ceiling box. Since a remote, you will need one hot, one neutral and one equipment ground. If the circuit breaker is 15 amp, you can use 14-2 Romex with a bare copper ground. If a 20 amp breaker, then you will need 12-2 Romex with a ground. The main issue with Romex is that it must somehow be protected, since on a porch, it is considered as an exterior install. Romex cable is not rated as weather resistant and therefore must somehow be protected on the entire exterior run of the circuit extension. 2. Another option would be to install metal Wiremold with 3 conductors.ie. 1 hot, 1 neutral and 1 equipment ground, and secure the Wiremold as a surface mount on the exterior siding and or ceiling area. If using metal Wiremold, this can be painted to complement the siding color and blend in. Wiremold is approximately 1/2 inch by 3/4 inch. Refer to the link for metal Wiremold sold at Home Depot. Lowe's also sells this. http://www.homedepot.com/p/Legrand Wiremold 500 Series 5-foot metallic surface raceway B1 100,657,483. One more option would be to extend using Romex and box around it using furring strips or some trim wood and then paint it to match the siding color. 4. You will also need a weatherproof rated box to mount the fan. Not sure of the fan type that you purchased, but they also sell outdoor rated fans, and that is the recommended type to use due to the elements from blowing rain, snow, etc. 5. Last but not least, since the receptacle is an exterior porch receptacle, it needs to be GFCI protected per the electrical code. Let me know your thoughts on these options. Thanks. Kevin.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.